Alright guys, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about QCOIN. They just released a new coin called DFYN. I'm going to get into that with you guys, okay? I'm going to give y'all the big thing on Wells Fargo. What's going on with Wells Fargo? Are they jumping into the crypto loaning? And we're going to go over the market and see what's going on. Y'all going to like this one. Let's get into Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo tells all its customers it's shattering all personal lines of credit, and there's rumors that they're going into crypto lending, okay, where they're lending businesses and doing stuff off crypto, if this is true or not. So what do I feel about it? I think everybody is understanding that they can bank themselves. And if you guys don't know, we have a link with Celsius. It's an app that has the best performing staking rewards than anybody else. Okay, they're giving the most for Ethereum, most for Synex, and Polygon. All right, now these are going to be the new banks. Okay, just like I'm giving y'all this coin today that a lot of people are talking big about. We're going to see big fireworks from it. It's QCOIN. They're going to be the next Binance chain, probably better than them because they got their own coin and they get coins when they come out, all right? They let coins go on their network right first when they're coming out. So that's what makes us get in the DFYN network. It gets listed on QCOIN today, and I got some big info on this, okay? But first, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel where we give you up-to-date information on finance, news, crypto, everything what's going on with your money. All right? So DFYN, let's see what DFYN is, okay? So first, all right. First it says a multi-chain DEX, or cross-chain bridges, are key to ecosystem growth. By preventing fragmentation and liquidity across chains, they improve efficiently in price discovery. All right, so a multi-chain AMM DEX. So this is what DFYN stands for. It stands for a multi-chain AMM DEX. So this is what a DEX is. It's instant gasless transactions on an L2. AMs are optimized for supporting ultra-fast gasless transactions atop multiple chains. So they're going to use Polygon. So they use some of Polygon because they're partners with them. And they're making it so where you don't have to spend gas. So the router advantage. DFN's AMM nodes tap into routers ACLP, cross-chain liquid protocols, thus plugging them into a liquidity super mesh. So they got advantages on their router, okay? So that means they have their own router advantage. This is the advantages that they're going to have versus other coins that do the same thing. So this is just releasing like this function of DFYN. So coming soon to a blockchain near you. Launch initially on Polygon, like I told you guys. DFYN will soon expand to BSC, HEC, Avalanche, Polkadot, Algorand, and more. So what I really like about DFYN is you can make your own node and you can do what they're doing. I like that part of it. They got intelligent market making, customizable market making toolkit addresses common that AMI uses. All right, so the most interesting part about this coin is that they're on Polygon, which is very big, okay? But the biggest one is the roadmap. So if you can see, the development started in Q3. They launched a better AMM exchange on layer 2 Polygon. So they launched this on Polygon. And then in Q4, they plan on launching the space farm, 1 week farm sprint on L1 and across 3 million. So this is their 2021 chart. So now they just integrated the router upgrader single asset staking implement. So now you can make money with them. Intelligent market making. And Q4, they just got the cross-chain credit market. So that means they're going to deal with everybody. You can borrow. You can, do everything like that from it. But this is the most exciting one that I think from the coin. So if you look at this coin's info, right? Back in May 15th, May 16th, this coin was at $5.89. All right. So right now, it's at about $1.67. Okay, so that's what's interesting about this coin. It just came out in 2020. It went up to $5. You can get it right now at $1.67, but it has a lot of protocols. It looks like it could be competing with like Cardano and all of these other coins because they're trying to just upgrade and do so much stuff on the coin. So this is a coin that you got to look out for. Definitely got to look out for. So another one I really, really, really like is QCOIN. So if you guys didn't know, I was watching Altcoin Daily, and they had Crypto R Us on. And I've always been talking about this coin, but they listed this coin as the one that they think that can do the biggest. Okay, and I talked about QCOIN about a week ago. You can check it out. That was my new coin alert. But as far as being bigger than just a token, it's going to be, you can trade on here like Binance. It's going to be other coins that launch under QCOIN on their trading platform. So you got to think Binance is at $300 and something right now. This is only at like $13, $14. I definitely see QCOIN going to 1,000 because I see Binance getting to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. QCOIN is definitely going to be at $1,000 a coin. Okay, this year, next year, somewhere around there. But if they continue to keep launching new coins on their platform, it'll be great. So those were two that I gave you guys that you can get for under $2. That's definitely worth the while. With my research. Now remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just, I'm giving you education on what I would do. So let's take a look at the market. So if we look at the past 24 hours, we got synthetics, the SNX token. Now this token you can put on Celsius, as I got on my link down there, and you can make 13.9% every year. So whatever you got in there, and they'll pay you out on that every Monday. So you can't beat that. We got Economy, OMI, OKB, Tailcoin. So the market is still just, sitting in between. It's not making a move. Let's check out and see what Bitcoin's at and what we expecting from it. Okay. A lot of people has been talking about Safe Moon as well, which I think we got to start taking a look at. I just don't like coins that hold you from you being able to get the best. Well, they make you hold the coin and they penalize you for pulling it out. Those are the kind of coins that just not good for me that I want to. But hey, if it is. If it's good, it's good. All right. Let's see. Let's bring it in. All right. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is at 33.5. Like I said, it's still, hanging in there and doing this. And this is going to be the market move for everything else. So we will see. All right. So, hey guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel where we give you this up-to-date information. And that's it for the show for the day. Make sure you guys invest smart and always take profits. I see you.